So good morning beautiful people. For today's vlog, magluluto tayo ng the best dessert in the universe, apple pie in other way, okay? So ito na yung ating apple guys. Overall, our apple. We will put additional stuff in here, okay? Or 8 pieces ng apple. We will add half a cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of apple juice. We will add half teaspoon ng salt, 1 teaspoon ng cinnamon powder. Then we are going to light our stove. So guys, naglagay na tayo guys ng 1 1/3 cup ng apple juice. So lulutuin lang natin ang ating apple. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of corn flour with 1/4 cup of apple juice. Okay? 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So do not worry guys if they are still liquid kasi we are going to add gelatin later. So guys, luto na ang ating apple guys. No? Ganito na siya. Luto na. For an hour hanggang mag-4 eggs. So now guys, isusunod natin ang paggawa ng cake. So sundan nyo lang guys ha. Okay? 1/4 teaspoon ng salt. So guys, for the cake, so we added half cup of sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yun ang ating ginawa sa ating cake, okay? So do not worry because I will put the recipe on the description below. Okay mga besh? So now we are going to add 1 1/2 cup ng plain flour or all-purpose flour. And we are also added 1 teaspoon of baking powder, guys, ito na yung ating cake. So, okay, there's nothing in the toothpick, so it's coke. Okay? So, we are going to cool it down. Then, yes, we will arrange later. Ito yung ating gelatin, guys. I used 2 teaspoons ng gelatin. Tapos, nilagyan ko siya ng 2 tablespoons ng water. Okay? Yung gelatin, guys, 20 seconds na nalagay natin sa ating microwave oven. Okay? So, ito na siya, guys. Ilagay natin sa ating filling. Sa ating apple. So, ilagay natin back sa ating fridge, guys. While i-prepare natin ang ating, so, ilagay natin balik sa ating fridge while i-prepare natin ang ating cake. Okay? Okay, mga friends? Ladies and gentlemen, cover with cling wrap, then put in the fridge. Ito yung ating cake, mga best friend. This is our cake. So we will add our apple, guys. We will add our cream. So we will add everything, guys. We will add a pinch of salt. We will add a little bit of vanilla. Ano lang siya, guys. 1/2 teaspoon lang. So, we will add our almost my sugar. Our sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar. And of course, we will add our So guys, nilagay na natin ang ating cream. Kita ninyo, guys. Then guys, we will add the toppings, the cake. Gumaganda-ganda. Yun na rin guys ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. So this is Tess Home. Thank you for watching. Testis tayo bukas guys, okay? Okay, apple pie. So this is the best apple pie I've ever made, guys. Wow. So sentensyahan na natin, guys. Or kunin na natin ng guys. The best. I wish you can try this in your own kitchen, and I hope you learned something out of my baking and preparations. And see you guys on my next videos. So now we are going to make a taste test. Let's go! Taste tayo guys.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Take your time.
Tingnan nyo guys.
I wanna savor every thought on my mind of you and I.